Welcome, organizing gals. I'm going to teach you how to say hello to your home. And the first time I heard about this, say hello to your home, I heard what you do is you just put your hand on your home and then you ask it its name. And you know, Marie Kondo even does a little thing like this where she kneels down and she touches the floor and she just talks to the home. So this is all you have to do. Touch your home and then talk to your home and say hello to your home. And when I asked my last home what its name was, she said Emerald. And then I asked her, what do you need? And she said, please clean me. And so that is what I worked on, is I worked on doing a little bit better with cleaning. So now this house, I put my hand on the wall and I said, what's your name? And my home said, Paul. And I said, well, Paul, what do you need? And he said, more laughter. And you know, I've been a little too serious in my life, and so we have been working on having more laughter, and laughter is important to me too. This is Crystal Meldrum with Organize Your Joy.